everyone, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all my recent Indian jewelry purchases, and for obvious reasons, these are all online and mostly Instagram stores. Majority of these I ordered them right here and got them shipped to US directly, and so I'm thinking this video will be helpful to you guys, so stay tuned. First, I'm going to show you the most recent ones I got. These are from More Tantra. I love More Tantra jewelry. If you follow me on Instagram, I wear a lot of their pieces. I really like their craftsmanship, their unique designs, and they're very good quality. The stones they use, everything is really good quality. You're actually paying that extra bucks for their quality and craftsmanship. So I will start with their Jedao collection. They recently had a 30% off sale. So every year, only once a year, they'll have a 30% off sale, and that's when I like to get the things that I have on my wish list. I have been meaning to get a Navratna set for a very long time. I've been actually looking to get in silver, but then I didn't find a perfect design that I want to get made. So when I saw this, I really liked the design, and that's why I thought, why not get it, because these look as good as silver, I want to say. So this is the Navratna set I got. Really good quality pearls, and their kundans are beyond gorgeous. If you are looking to get something, I would definitely recommend getting one kundan piece. So that's a Navratna set. I'm not really feeling the tassels. It's good, the quality is good, but then I don't want to add more length to this necklace with this tassel, so I might just remove it and attach a pearl is what I'm thinking. So really beautiful. I love this, and the earrings are studs, and that's what I like. I mean, I would have preferred wearing big earrings for this one since it's a long necklace, but then I like studs as well because I can get more use out of these. I can just easily throw these on kurtis, or I can just normally wear these. So that's that. I love the Navratna stones they use. They are like so real, and it looks so gorgeous. So that's that, like really good size, quite a statement. The next one I have here is also another piece from their Jedao collection, and this was actually sent to me because I won their giveaway. So this is actually a choker. Look at how gorgeous that is, and I love the pearls they used in this one. I already styled this. I will put the picture right here so you can see. So that's the choker. It's gorgeous. And I really like the earrings of these. I am actually wearing these non-stop, and being these studs, I'm able to wear these more often. So those are the earrings. I like the earrings more than the choker actually. So that's that. There you go. Really pretty. Again, the quality is just amazing. The kundan at the center, the rubies that were used are so real. Like, these are really good quality, and I can just hold this and tell how beautifully these are made. The next one I have here is from their Meenakari collection, and they have tribal collection, Meenakari, Jedao, they have temple, and also diamond collections. These are 5 collections they have. So this one is from the Meenakari collection. I've been meaning to add one Meenakari, hand painted Meenakari for some time now, and that is the size of it. It's gorgeous. It is a statement piece. I don't think I will be able to wear these like very often, but yeah, that's that. It's gorgeous, and again, the way they painted on this one, the kundans that were used, and the quality is amazing. One tip that I want to give if you're shopping from More Tantra is everything is big in More Tantra. Most of the times they do specify the dimensions of the pieces. They also use mannequins, or someone would model them, or if you go on the Instagram page, some of the pieces are already modeled, but then there are some pieces there are no specifications at all. But what I would tell you is, imagine at least a few sizes larger than what you see on the website. Everything are big and statement in More Tantra. You won't really find many dainty pieces, or medium sized pieces. The next one I have here is from their tribal collection. I picked up one earrings for myself. I also picked up a few pieces for a couple of my friends as well, and one I already gave away to my friend, and I have two more that are already packed. So if you go on my Instagram, I've shared all the pieces that I got for my friends as well. I've actually shared a short video in the reels, so you can check that out. But these are the earrings that I picked up. I've been meaning to get a silver with turquoise combination for some time now, and that's the one I picked up. And I thought these would be big, and obviously I did not think this would be this big, but when I wear them I really like how they look. Even the ones I got for my friend are like this big, like these are this big, double the size of this one. And we thought, you know, these are gone case, we might not be able to use them, but then I gave to my friend. My friend never wears big earrings, and she wore them and she fell in love with them. So even though they are big, they just suit us so beautifully. It's just how you style them. So that's the earring, so gorgeous. Again, these are all silver coated. These are not real silver, but these are silver coated, so they actually look like silver pieces. And obviously they use high quality stones and kundans. They just look perfectly like silver. And even though these are big, they are so lightweight, so these are easy to carry as well. The other thing that I like about Moretantra is they always give these rubber things, so these actually really help in holding big earrings. They always give a lot of extra backs and these rubber things that actually help me. I got the Moretantra pieces directly shipped to US, so the shipping charges were 2000 rupees, which I felt was so fuss free to pay, because when I ordered them to my parents, I don't know when I'm going to get them in my hand. So that's why I thought it was so convenient to just pay the shipping and get them directly to US. The next ones I have here are from Amari Jewelry. I do have quite a few pieces from Amari Jewelry, and I really love them. This is an Instagram page. I really love her collection, and they are very rightly priced. They are not overpriced, and if you like something, you have to be really quick on her page. So when she shares something on her feed or in her stories, if you like it, just grab it, because they sell off really fast. Again, I will put the details to all these pages in the description box below for you guys, and maybe on the screen as well. The first one I have here from Amari Jewelry is a choker. I don't know why I picked up quite a lot of chokers this time. I was not into chokers as much. So this one is a choker. This is these are real glass, and these look very beautiful against our skin color. So as you can see, it's so gorgeous. I have earrings and bangles like these from Amari, so that's why I thought I'll add a necklace as well to finish the set. It's so gorgeous. So that's that. Again, Amari Jewelry are really good quality, except they are a little heavy, so that's what I observed. Next ones from Amari are these really cute earrings. A lot of you actually like these when I style them on a mal cotton sari. So these are really long jhumkas, and these were 200 rupees. I remember the price of these because I was like so shocked to get these for 200 rupees. So that's that. Again, really nice quality on this one, and these are really lightweight. So yeah, really simple and nice. I like these. So that's that. For a lot of these pieces, at least the Moretantra ones were actually on sale. So right now they are not on the sale price on their website. So that's why I can't tell you the exact price that I got them for. Some I remember the price I will mention, but otherwise you will have to go check them for yourself. All the Amari Jewelry pieces, I had to order them to my parents, and they actually sent them over in India package. So the next Amari Jewelry piece I have here is this one. It is kind of like Guttapusalu. So that's that. I wanted a Guttapusalu in silver, but I didn't really want to get the traditional Guttapusalu style. So I thought this is a little contemporary and a little more less heavy. So the usage is more on this one. This is like this length, and a really pretty. I really like the stones, the pearls that they used. This is the Adiga style chain. If you know, a lot of people actually wear these as chokers, and these are called Adiga, but this is actually longer. and these are the earrings that came with them. So gorgeous. I love this piece. One of my friend came and this jewelry was laying on this table here and she loved this piece, so I might just gift it to her. Another thing that I want to share are these toe rings that my friend gave me, and these I think she got from Silver Jewelry by Nakoda Payals, and look at how beautiful these toe rings are. These are a little uncomfortable to wear like regular wear, but then once in a while you can wear these, and I got so many compliments for these. So pretty, and I can even wear these as rings, like the Kalyanam ring style. So I can even wear these as rings and they would still look beautiful. So I just wanted to share because I felt these are very different, and I really love them, and I really like the little gungrus. So when I was walking, that little chirpy noise was so beautiful. Alright, I think my kids woke up, so I need to go, and I'll get back to the rest of the video in some time because you know there's a lot of noise upstairs and I can't continue this video. So after a long break I could come back and sit again. So the next ones I have here are a few earrings from aristabeads.com. They also have a Facebook page and they also operate through Instagram and WhatsApp group as well. So I actually shop through their WhatsApp group. And the good part is Arista Beads is based in USA, so whatever you order you can get them directly here within 10 days. So the first ones I have here, a lot of you liked these a lot when I wore these along with my black paithani sari and posted a picture on my Instagram. These are these massive jhumkas, and I never thought that these big jhumkas would suit me, and I always wanted to give them a try before I go and buy something expensive. But yeah, I'm so surprised that these actually suited me. When my hair is back, I don't know if they'll suit me if I leave my hair down. I think it's gonna get too busy, but if I have my hair braided or tied up, these will look really beautiful. And I really like the Trishul and Damru and gold and silver two-toned. What I have here are these daily wear earrings with white stones, and these are not studs. That's what I like about these. So, and these are really good quality. I would definitely check their daily wear earrings collection, and I wear them a lot. So that's that. Really, like I can throw these on anything. Indian or Western. And this order from Arista Beads is from the clearance section. She was having clearance on some of her earrings, and all of these earrings were under $6. These earrings I really liked. I thought I'll just have them for myself or maybe just gift them to someone. And when my friend visited, she liked these, so I'm going to give these to her as well. So I really like the shape of this jhumka. It's in this cone shape, and I like the black stones and pearls that were used in this one. The next one I have here are these earrings, and these are with green stones, and I really like the design as well, especially the top part. So that's that. The next one I have here is another US based store. They have an Instagram page and they also have a website. Just not jewelry, but they also have saris and dupattas and stuff like that. This page is called Visions by Alluri, and the website is visionsbyalluri.com. These were actually sent to me. A lot of you liked this piece when I posted a picture on Instagram. It's this gorgeous two-tone German silver piece with green stones, and I really like the quality. And one thing I noticed from this page is I didn't find the prices to be too expensive, and also the quality is really good. So that's that. I really like the earrings that came with these. These are also two-toned with green stones. You can see a close-up picture from my Instagram, and I will also put a picture right here so you can see. So that's that. And she also sent me this piece. I've also styled this with a cotton sari, and this style of jewelry is currently trending right now. So it's this fabric jewelry with German silver accent. This is ikat with this German silver pendant, and it's a statement piece. It looks gorgeous. So first I thought, you know, this is too big for me to carry because I never wear such big pendants, but then when I styled it, I totally loved it. There's a little boo-boo that my daughter made, so I just fixed it with a pin, but I'm going to stitch it back. So that's that, and these are the earrings that came with it. So pretty, right? That I really like that purple against my skin color. And fabric jewelry is so in right now. I'm just falling in love with a lot of pieces that I'm coming across on Instagram, and it's such a fun way to add accent to your outfits. I especially like such kind of jewelry on cotton saris or cotton kurtis. And I also got a couple of earrings a few months back when my parents came to US. Next one I have here is another US based page. Again, this is not just a jewelry page, but they also have a lot of other miscellaneous clothes and stuff like that. They do have an Instagram page, and they also operate through a website as well. I placed an online order from their website, and the website is haascollections.com, and this kind of jewelry is currently in trend right now. This kind of weaving of small beads is so in right now. I've been seeing in rubies, emeralds, pearls, and a lot of other different small beads, and I really like how they are weaved together. And I don't have anything in black onyx beads. I got a few from Gem Show, but then I didn't make any jewelry out of it, so I thought, you know, let me just get this one because it's so beautiful. And these kundan pendants look amazing against those black beads. So it's a simple choker, but it definitely adds a statement. I've already styled it, and I think by the time you see this video, the picture is already up on Instagram. So these are the earrings that came with them. Really like the quality of this piece. I think I paid $30 or $35 along with shipping. They had some kind of sale, so that is amazing. The next one I have here is another US based store, and this jewelry is handmade. I have a special heart for this maker. I really want you guys to go out and check out her collection. Her new collection is just amazing. Name of the page is Handmade by Sandy, and I got these unicorn pendants to give as written gifts for Mayuka's birthday. So I actually ordered a few of these unicorn pendants, and yes, these are made of polymer clay by hand. Look at how beautifully she made, and she also sent me some jewelry along with that, and she made them for me according to my style, keeping my saris in mind. And how amazing is that? I have been talking to her for some time now, and I'm so happy that she made a piece for me, and look at how beautiful that is. This is made out of polymer clay with her own hands for me, and look at that detailing. It's gorgeous, right? So this is a choker, so that's that. I can also wear this at this length as well. And she also made earrings for this. Love them, love them. And she also sent me 2 more earrings, and since I like coral, she sent me these, and look at that beautiful marble effect, right? And she also added these studs again with that marble effect. So Gautami, I know you're watching this video, so thank you so much for making this for me. I think with this piece you have started a new way of making jewelry, and I'm just in awe with your new collection. So again guys, Handmade by Sandy, do check out her profile and support her. The next one I have here is another US based jewelry website, and the website is called shoptarinika.com, and they also have an Instagram page, but I placed their order through their website. And I came to know about this site from one of you guys. One of you messaged me on Instagram saying that you pick up a lot of pieces from the Gem Show, you like the quality, and I should check them out. And last year I placed an order for small things, and I quite like the quality, and that's why I went ahead and got another piece this time. And I got this a few days before the lockdown situation happened back in India, and that's why this order took me quite some time to get, but then I really like it. This is this beautiful matte finish gold set. I'm not majorly into 1 gram gold or these gold coated fake jewelry, but sometimes if I really like the piece, I do pick up. I have very few, hardly less than 5 pieces, but then when I like something, I pick them up and I use them a lot. When I got this, I didn't know that I was getting this with a chain. I thought it was pendant and earring set, and I thought I can use this with a lot of beaded chains that I have. But yeah, good thing that I gave a chain, and this chain is actually really good quality. I'm not sure if I'll still be using this with the chain or not, but look at that gorgeous pendant. I really love the design. They're so well made. It has a good weight to them, and the quality of the stones is amazing. I really like the matte finish. This is the first time I got something in matte finish, and yeah, I like the Ram, Sita, Lakshman and Hanuman, and really like this piece. Peacock, the paisleys and the little gungroos, everything is so beautiful. I totally love this set. The good part is it's a US based site, so you can get your jewelry right here within 10 days, which is amazing. So next ones I have here are 3 jewelry pieces from my Instagram page called Candy's Collection, and this, I must say, I'm not too impressed. I'm going to tell you why. This is not the first time I got. The first time Tanuja from Tanuja's Space, she gifted me a Gungru long necklace, and the quality turned out to be just fine. I really liked that piece, so I went ahead and got these pieces as well, but I am not really happy with the quality this time. So these are these you know, ear cuff kind of earrings. I don't know, I think this goes on this ear. Yes, so these are these ear cuff kind of earrings. These were so in till last year. So it covers the entire ear, and then there's a small jhumka. Looking from far, I like them, but then when I see up close, I mean, I don't see that high quality feeling. So that's that, and these turned out to be okay. I mean, I'm still gonna wear these. I like them. The next ones I have here, I mean, these I was so excited, but then there was a big disappointment with this one. So these are these beautiful jhumkas, and the reason I picked this up is because the jhumka has Taj Mahal engraved on it. It's beautiful. The jhumka part is amazing. Now coming to the top part, the reason I don't like these earrings is because the moon has love engraved on it. When I saw the picture, it wasn't like that, so I really don't like that engraving on these earrings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the jhumka part out. Maybe I'll fix this earring from Arista beads to it, and I'm gonna wear this like this. I'm gonna discard this jhumka because I am not happy with that. So the next one I got is a dholki mala in gold finish. I've been wanting to get a dholki mala for such a long time, and I finally got it. I really like the quality, but it's all broken. Like everything fell apart when I opened the package. I mean, I got these over a year ago actually, and these finally came to my hand, so I don't know what really happened, but yeah, it's fully broken. I need to see how I can fix it. The quality of the beads is good. I mean, I don't have complaints, but then yeah, it's fully broken. So finally we are down to 2 earrings, and these are actually a gift from my friend. These are from the Target, Sugar Fix by Bobble Bar, and I really like the purple, and these earrings are currently very trendy right now. The next ones I have here are from Shein. I think I got this a few months back, and yeah, they actually directly went into my haul lot, and I never got to wear these, so I'm glad I found these again. And these are from Shein. I think I hardly paid like $3 for these, and look at how gorgeous these are. I love the stones they use. The quality is really good. I don't know if I can find the link, but if these are still available, I'll put the link in the description box below. Look at that gorgeous gradient of rhinestones, and I just love this piece. Alright, finally I have some accessories from a US based Instagram store called Arista Jewel Box, and I received these after I recorded the original video, and that's why I'm just showing these like this. But you will definitely see a picture on my Instagram whenever I style these, and look at how gorgeous these Meenakari jhumkas are. Very good quality, and I really like the jhumka part. They also sent me a couple of German silver rings as well, and look at the quality, really good. and very statement. And here's another one. So you'll definitely see pictures on Instagram whenever I style these. And here is their Instagram page, Arista Jewel Box USA. Alright, so that finishes this video. I hope you appreciate and give a like for the little effort I put in to show you guys close up of all these pieces. This video took a lot of time for me, so I hope you really appreciate by hitting a like and adding a comment. If this is the first time you're watching my video, please do subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on my Instagram. It's Deepika Makeup. I will see you all very soon in my next video. Bye.